Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the baby's fam. Period. So this is a new vlog. This vlog is dedicated to this girl. It's Annalisa's birthday weekend and we're about to turn up. Okay, period. So now we're running errands. But where are we going?
Sundown, 17. We're going to Boss Lady Dress.
Okay, we're going to get something for her to wear. So let's go.
Hopefully she finds
Your jackets. Which one? That one, the fur one.
Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them quit that cap. Niggas ain't getting no money, tell them.
I don't have any other option.
Yeah, but I'm saying no to this. We still have time.
Go away.
But not for your birthday. You can buy this dress, but not for your birthday, Sana. You look like we are in Tontoni.
This is why I didn't want a long dress, because long dresses, they all seem like me every other day.
We went triple platinum, only in no nagging. Made it happen. Young and out there, bottom buddy, made it happen. I don't wanna make no friends, put me to my hands. Who we think he is in that brand new Benz? They should've knew I was coming, just still a young and I knew I'd give me some money. Know I turn nothing to something, I look at your cousin, the youngest is me and it right. I promise to keep it 100.
If I'm taking 25,
Hey guys.
let me take a 2 and a 0.
Why?
Then it's around 25. Okay. This thing needs to move, all of it.
Shopping for home things. Hey guys. We just saw a girl vlogging and this is how she was vlogging.
You ultimately.
So weird. Sana, this old man just stopped us in the mall and asked me if I flew up from Durban yesterday, and he mentioned the time of the flight, and he mentioned I was wearing the same dress, and he said it looks good on me. Are you scared? Drop it, it's time for me to go home.
You sit me down in the house, so you got to respect me. Fuck you, give me my check, please. Young and chasing green, reaching for the stars. Got it all.
Annalisa, nansi Uber yakho.
Take the scooter.
What do you mean? Yeah, I'm Mr. Scooter. They shout at the net. I suppose.
Is that Didi? Ziya baba cheka nyane za moto sipi.
Naso.
Usaqinana.
Yeah, it was 2 years a lot. Small India, say India. Hi, shame.
Kuthiwa zitshele.
And the lady that was doing my hair, what's long phone distance? Wasting my time today, my sister. Because there's no need for these prices that we pay.
Hayi kuwesa phe Joburg.
I was about 800.
Tony Durban.
For installing, I ain't getting it, guys.
Odali khona nye passage odali benza kakuhle kanjani. Yo. Khona sisisana. Ufune installer zange ngenziwe isalon soze futhi. Ngibhethe ke uzenza i-makeup.
Yeah. Let's get ready with me. Are you getting ready?
I'm getting ready. Ngizenzele makeup yasevestire ngayithemba.
And uyayithanda shem.
It's 3:30 now, dolls. Makeup anini, okanini.
Fast I'm getting makeup.
Siyazi concealer. Ne nansi ngidonle concealer ne what you call
Serious?
Must say, hey,
For
it's
you.
already one.
Hey, Pop. Speed.
Hey, fine.
Guys, get your brows shaped and tinted. It makes life so easy.
Let's see.
Thanks, CPay, for putting me on. It wasn't cool. Hey,
Oh, Kabile.
but what do you mean?
Zambon.
I'll find a letter again. I'm done. I just put the tail and then so Nansika Abangapambi. You said they are distant cousins. They are not sisters.
No. I'm not saying, but as fine as or it's nice. Look at me, straight. Did you put gel on them? Oh, Kanene, because you did them. Yeah, they're nice.
Big fan of follow in scarf no to lay it flat.
To lay what?
Yeah.
The wig.
No, to lay the lace up to make it more thingy.
Yes, more defined. But I should.
I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than ever. Whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure. My niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up that check, now I'm flexing my muscles, I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yacht. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shot. Used to daydream about thumbing through racks.
Hi guys, this is my second drink for the day. It's a shot. Shot to you.
Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. Young chasing dreams, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' starve. Young out that bottom, but he beat the odds. Yeah, you lie, yeah, they all. I'm richer than I've ever been. I'm richer than I've ever been. Yeah, I'm richer than I've ever been.
Yeah? What are you drinking? I'm still thinking. What's the person?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? coming soon to me. No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you.